Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. Today's video, we're going to be discussing bracket orders, the ones I use, how you can find your own, and a couple of different tips off of it. So today on stream, we netted minus $155 after the stream, brought it up to plus $713. So green day overall, very happy. We do stream live every single morning, Monday through Friday, starting at 8:30 market open, 8:30 Central market open. So make sure you come hang out for that. It's super fun. Press the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know when we're going live. So bracket orders, what are they? A bracket order is an order that when you go long or short, so when you buy or sell, it goes ahead and puts a target price that you want to get out at and a stop loss price that you want to get out at. These are all customizable. There's lots of different ways to do this. So let's go ahead and take a look. On Tradevate, if I go into this bracket section, I click the little wheel knob, I can open my bracket settings. So you can pick a name, whatever you want to name it. You can pick a type to where it's a stop loss only, a take profit only, or a take profit and a stop loss, meaning you are actually bracketing it, right? So I'm using the take profit and the stop loss. One thing to note about bracket orders is that if your take profit is hit, it automatically cancels your stop loss. If your stop loss is hit, it automatically cancels your take profit. This is super important for trading because it's crazy how many times you'll get your profit target hit and you forgot to exit out of your stop loss and all of a sudden that gets hit and you lose money, or vice versa, right? So this does all the order management automatically. Super important. So while I'm trading the Nasdaq, the ES is going to be different. Everything you're trading should probably have different brackets because everything is going to be moving at different increments and speed, right? So for me on the Nasdaq, I have my take profit at 10, my stop loss at 15. These are points. Then I have this special feature called the auto break even, and I have this turned on for my stop loss. What this means is that if I'm going long, so if I buy something, say I buy the Nasdaq at 11,350, right? For this bracket order, I have the profit trigger at 5.25 and my break even offset at 5. So what that means is that if price moves 5 points, 5.25 points up, it's going to automatically move my stop loss that was minus 15 up to 5 points in profit. So this allows me to lock in money automatically if the price goes in my favor. Historically, I've had these 5-point targets, but this allows me to basically play momentum, right? So if I have this order up, right? So say I get filled at 35, price goes up to 40, 50. My stop loss would automatically move to 5 points in profit right here, right? And then if price continues to increase and hits my profit target at 10 points, then I get bagged 10 points. If price reverses and goes down, I get stopped out at plus 5 points. So I'm basically guaranteeing myself 5 points from that break even, right? So this is saying if price goes up and then instantly goes back down, I'm going to get stopped out for 5 points profit, which is great, $100, right? But if price continues to go up after that 5 points, I can actually get another $100 out of it because another 5 points, right? For $10 points of profit target. So this is a very exciting and good way to trade, in my opinion. It basically takes out a lot of the order management that you would need to do yourself. It actually hits a lot of times for me. So with my strategy, I'm looking for high win rate trades. I want to have a lot of consistent winners. So I'll do small profit targets. So looking for $100 a trade, right? Which is that 5-point stop, 5-point profit target getting moved up. And then if it hits another 5, that's great. There's extra candy on top, right? So that is the bracket orders that I'm using. Again, these are going to be different depending on what you're doing. You can do it based off ticks, price, currency, whatever. If you're trading the ES, it's going to look different. You can increase these to be whatever you want, whether it be 100 points and 15 points or 3 points and 15 points, 3 and 10, whatever you want. This is personal preference. It's going to take some back testing for you to use. Again, I'm using a 10 and 15 and my break even offset at 5. So I do encourage you to play around with this if it's something that interests you. It's really helped me a lot to be able to have this bottom section here. The auto break even, in effect, has been super helpful. I end up getting stopped out more than not at this 5 points of profit, but that's what I want, you know? And occasionally I get that 10 points, which is just extra gravy on top. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to the channel. I also have a free trading chat, which is linked down below. So come and join me there. And if you're interested in trading risk-free, check out Top Step Trader. It's linked down below. You can get 20% off applied at checkout. It's a 2-step process to prove that you're a good trader. If you do that, they will give you money to trade with. They will take on all the risk. You keep 80% of the profits and they take 20%. So I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.